In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a background transparent in Adobe Illustrator. Open your image with Adobe Illustrator. Navigate to the upper part of the screen and hit the View button. Scroll down until you find the option to show your transparency grid. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+D. Click it and the background will transform into a gray and white grid. This will show the transparency grid, which allows you to see if your image is transparent or not. Select the image on the artboard with the selection tool. You can press V on your keyboard to activate this tool. In the menu bar up top, click on Window. This will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Image Trace. The Image Trace menu will appear. In the Image Trace menu, change mode from black and white to colored. Open the advanced setting by clicking the triangle next to it. In Options, check Ignore White. Click on Trace. Image Trace will then turn the image into a vector and remove the white background. If you want to learn more about the Image Trace tool in Illustrator, watch my complete video on how to trace an image in Adobe Illustrator. Now that you have a vector with a transparent background, you will want to export it that way. In order to achieve this, all you need to do is from the menu bar select File. In the File menu, hover on Export and then select Export As. Select the export destination and input the file name. From the Save As type menu, select PNG. Click Export. The PNG options window will appear. In the preview section of PNG options, make sure that the background color is set to transparent. Select OK. There you have it. You can now go to the file destination you choose and find your PNG image with a transparent background. Open the picture to verify the background is transparent. I hope you have learned how to make background transparent in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. That's all in our part 44 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 45.